I got one. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Fishing with Frank YouTube channel. Today I'm here with my father, although he's not in the video really at all.
I might be in the video. You'll see me.
And yeah, today we came out to one of our favorite, not really favorite, but one of the local fishing spots, and we just did a little fishing. And I think I'm going to include another fishing day as well in the video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. All right, we're rolling.
Yeah.
See, I do a worm, but I kind of want to use a crankbait. Like this white one.
That's so fun.
Yeah, because you can just rip it. That sounded cool as hell.
Yeah.
That, whatever that was. You cast? Yeah, it sounded cool as hell. We gotta get Brandon back out here.
He won't do it.
Dude, I want to see him catch his first fish.
I know. That'd be such a good video.
It's the greatest, like, feeling.
Yeah. Achievement. It's the best gateway drug.
Yeah.
Catching your first fish.
I hated it until I caught that first fish, and now
Like,
I'm addicted.
Hey,
yeah.
I understand.
Now I have a YouTube video, or video channel.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down that way more. It's usually where I have my most luck. Yeah. The bigger fish are over there. Is that a pigeon? Wait, a pigeon? A dove? It's so white. It is so hot out. Hot and humid. We're in yet another heat wave. But we're out here fishing. Having some fun. So far I'm losing this 1v1. I caught a little guy, but still counts. Hope I can just get at least one. And sorry about the repeat spot in this video. Since it's so hot, just wanted to go somewhere close. Somewhere we know where we would catch fish. So yeah, that's why the spot's the same as the last video. But hopefully in the next video it'll be a new place. Not a new place. Still gonna be somewhere we go, but somewhere we haven't been to in a while. What? Oh, what the? Is it a pigeon? It's such a weird looking bird. Yeah, there's too much grass. Let me go to the Ned rig. I don't get it caught in this tree. Yeah, funny enough, this worm, I just found it on the ground. Decided to give it a shot, see if I can catch something on a worm I found. Hey, what kind of bird is that? It's used to people. It's so weird. I've never seen a bird like that in the wild. It's hanging out. What is happening? What kind of bird is that? All my people that know birds, comment down below what kind of bird that is. I think it's a dove or a pigeon. I don't know what he's doing here. kind of just chilling. I don't know if it's hurt. I mean, it was flying. I don't want to bother him too much, but it's just cool. It's so weird. It's like, this isn't a normal bird around here.
Weird.
It's like a dove or something.
Yeah. Oh. Flew right at my face earlier.
Did it?
Yeah.
It's just gonna fly around and then land back. Maybe not, maybe it went to the other pond. It's so weird.
It's a dove.
It's a dove?
Yeah, it's a dove.
I thought doves always traveled together as well. I mean, that could be something else totally, but hey guys, sorry about that waterfall. You can hear it in the train. And when I first started fishing here, this spot was a lot better. I don't know what happened to it. I would consistently catch fish here, but I don't know if people are keeping fish here or not. I do see little bluegill. That's a good sign. I'm gonna go closer to the runoff, or whatever you want to call it. See if there's stuff hanging out around there. This spot sucks. It's all snags. I lost my worm. Yeah, I'm done here. I'll be down by the creek. If you want to come down. Oh man. Yeah, both of these spots have been pretty slow, so I don't know if I'm really gonna catch anything, but I'm trying at least. Doing it for you guys. I think first I'm gonna try a crankbait. Got this I don't know what it's called. I think a green crankbait. ARK, I guess. It's not that good, as you guys can probably tell if I put in the other day of fishing, which I probably will. It's just more content. Yeah, and sorry if the videos have been not as good recently. We've been in a heat wave for like the past almost a month now, and it's just really hard to be out here all day fishing when it's 90 plus degrees out constantly. So I've been coming out later in the day and trying my best. I mean, I've caught some nice fish, so hasn't been terrible, but the videos can be better. Oh, I got one. Nice bass. Oh my god, this guy is insane. I've never had a fish fight me this much. Holy crap. He is very dirty now. He was all up in the mud, but it's a fish, a little guy. But yeah, get him back in the water. Yeah, okay. Good start down here. I love this spot. Maybe this crankbait isn't that crappy. I might throw on a weighted creature bait or something, worm. Throw it down in that corner because it's where they usually hang out. Around that like down tree, all that structure over there. Plus it's very shady, so it probably keeps them out of the heat. Here's a fluke. White fluke. Yeah, I think flukes are my go-to soft plastic. It's always find that they work, and hopefully it works again, because I want another. Yeah, I really like flukes because I'm pretty sure they fall really slow in the water, which is really good at mimicking dying bait fish. So I think that's why they just always work. And then when you work it back to you, the action is just crazy. It really mimics like a dying fish. Zoom fluke, to be specific, they are amazing. I haven't found another fluke that I really like as much as Zoom. Oh, I skipped that kind of. I don't know if that was on camera, but that's pretty cool. Not the best skip, but it was something. Yeah, maybe fluke wasn't the way to go, like I thought it would be. Let me try down in there. Oh no, that's way too far. Oh man, I'm caught on somebody else's fishing line. Are you kidding me? Well, I got it out, but it ripped the tail off, so I gotta switch now. That sucks. Maybe that's a sign fluke wasn't gonna work. Crawlers, I'll try crawl. I'm in sort of like a slump with crawls right now. I used to love them last year, but now I don't know what happened. I don't think I've caught on a crawl all year, but I'm looking to change that now. Oh yeah, back to my videos. I do have some pretty cool videos planned. I have like an announcement, I guess, as well. So yeah, stay tuned for those. I got at least 2 cool videos planned over the next maybe 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, I think you guys will really like them, hopefully. Also, I want to talk about my channel. I want to thank you guys for 1,900 subscribers. I just hit that yesterday, I think. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Thanks for subscribing. Didn't think I would make this far, but you know, it's been fun, and yeah. Wish I had a kayak. I'd go all the way down, go into the bridge, see what's past the bridge. There's probably so many like fish just hanging out over that way. I don't know if there's really a way I can fish from the shore over there, or from the bank. I mean, wintertime, like fall winter time, it clears up, but right now everything is so overgrown. Let me try that crankbait again. Just throw it all the way down there. Oh, something bumped it. Set the hook way too hard. That's what I love about like moving lures. It's just so there's always action. I feel like it makes it more entertaining. great. I love that. Probably gonna call it here. Alright guys, well that's it for today. Caught a nice little fish down by the creek. I don't think you got anything, right?
I am not in the video. I thought I was going to be in it, but I'm not in it.
Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next week. Peace.
Ice pop, bomb pop.